Alright, so it's a little bit of a breezy day, pretty cold this morning, and I'm at Convict Lake and getting ready to hike up the canyon on the right side of the lake here to go up to Mildred and Dorothy Lakes. It's probably going to be about a 14-mile there and back trip, so pretty much a full day, but looking forward to it. So overall, it's a pretty good morning, so see how it goes. Alright, I'm going to try something new here. I'm going to go up to Mildred and Dorothy Lake. Okay, here we go. Up the canyon. Alright, we're still charging up here. Starting to get into the pinyons. Wherever these trees are. Getting up into the tree line a little bit. Still got to get our way up into that canyon though. Making some headway though. Got Mount Morrison here off on the left. Awesome peak with a cool history behind it. I'll tell you that later. It looks like we got to a little crossing here. Looks like a avalanche path of some sort. Probably all slides down off the top of that. Middle of winter when there's many feet of snow here. I guess we're gonna go across here. Okay, so I just got up to Lake Mildred, and it was an absolutely amazing hike. I'm actually on a knoll here on the north side of the lake, trying to get out of the wind, so hopefully it's not too windy when I get done, but just amazing scenery as you saw on the way up. Incredible canyon walls, granite and iron and everything else, so phenomenal geological formations and waterfalls. Convict Lake, actually, where I started, has some pretty phenomenal history. It did have a Native American name to it called Witsanap, and that name eventually got changed to Convict Lake. And the history behind that is there was a number of convicts that had broken out of a prison up in Carson City, and I think up until that date when they broke out back in the middle 1800s, it was one of the largest prison breaks ever, and I think it still may be a number of people that actually broke out of there. But anyway, posses and sheriffs and whatnot that had followed them down from about 150 miles north of here in Carson City area, caught up with them there near Convict Lake. And there was a gentleman, part of the posse from an area in Benton, not too far from Convict Lake, was actually killed there, a guy by Robert Morrison. And there's that big pointy peak you saw on the way up. That peak was named after Mr. Morrison as he got killed in a encounter there with the bad guys. So just real Western history here, just alive and well, and it's actually an incredible story. That whole canyon that I came up was called Mount Diablo Canyon, and now it's Convict Creek, and not Mount Diablo Creek anymore. But just great history there. And eventually those bad guys, none of them got killed there at Convict Lake, but they did. The posse did catch up with them in an area down close to Bishop, California, near Round Valley, and I believe they ended up hanging 2 of the 3 remaining individuals down there. An interesting part of the story, as I understand it, was they caught them and apprehended them there, and we're going to hold a trial in one of the schoolhouses down there. But while these guys were being held and awaiting trial, a couple days later, while they were waiting for this trial, there was actually gallows being built. So much for justice and waiting to see what the verdict was. It was pretty much was predetermined. So I think everybody knew what had happened already. But a lot of great history here, and obviously just amazing beauty. So just looking forward to the hike down and see what else we can find on the way down. All right, starting the trek down now after a long haul up, but should get a pretty impressive view now. All right, so this is the canyon, obviously, that I came up, and now I'm gonna head down. This hike, while it wasn't all that difficult, there was a few areas with some pretty steep ledges, and for a guy that's petrified of heights, it was a test for me, so I feel pretty good about that. But man, well, how beautiful this is.